without any dissenting voice. Like the judge said, all litigation must come to an end. They addressed all the issues, about 7 of them, and those issues and the judgments on each of the issues were clearly unassailable as far as I'm concerned. So for me now, it's the time for us all, every Nigerian, particularly the president, to roll up his sleeves and continue with the governance. This has been a distraction. Uh, the litigants exercise their rights to go to court, but that has come to an end now. We now have to all come together as one country, one people, and move ahead and take this country where it rightfully should be. We're happy. We're excited.
So I said coming together. Does that mean that you'll be extending a hand to the PDP and the Labour Party? Although the APM's appeal was dismissed, but would the president be extending a hand of friendship to the other political parties?
Listen, we shouldn't take these things personal, right? If you listen carefully to the judgment was very sound by any objective, right-thinking person, supported with facts, with cases, with statute. The president, if you know him very well, is a Democrat. It's not now that he's extending his hand to fellowship. He's always done that. He will continue to do that. And will continue to do so on his behalf. Governance is about everybody. It's not about a party. It's not about an individual. And if we do not come together now, then we will have ourselves to blame. Opposition is not, you don't oppose for the sake of opposition. Elections are over. Litigation is over. All litigation must come to an end. Now is the time for governance. Distractions over. So yes, Mr. President, the APC, and all rightful thinking members of the society must come together, no matter what party you belong to address the issue of governance.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Excellency,